5 years ago, Thanos erased half of the population of the universe. But the people of this planet brought everyone back with the snap of a finger.
Why didn't you guys help fight Thanos? Or any war, or all the other terrible things throughout history?
We were instructed not to interfere in any human conflicts unless deviants are involved.